You're watching Schoolhouse Smith. Hi, I'm Ephraim Smith, and you're watching Schoolhouse Smith. When we do chores in our house, we get to move up on our list, and this is my part, and I got to make cookies with Mom. I chose lemon donuts. These are the ingredients we're gonna make to make the lemon donuts. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Be sure to spray the pan. We don't have buttermilk, so we're going to put vinegar into milk and let it sit for 5 minutes. Lemon zest is grated lemon peel. I'm Snow Smith, and I'm going to try making lemon zest too. This is the hardest part. Once we get the lemon zest, we need to squeeze some lemons. Time to start mixing. Stir it up really good. Time to pour the batter in the pan. Bake for 6 to 8 minutes. For the coating, add the rest of the lemon zest and mix it with some sugar. So we overfilled the donut pan, and these were the tops, so we cut them off, and now we have these donuts, and we're gonna try making some lemon icing. I'm gonna add some lemon juice to the powdered sugar to make some lemon icing. Okay, for the donuts, we dip it in the butter and then the coating. And that's gonna be how it looks. gonna share my donuts with some of my siblings.
What do you think?
Subscribe to our channel, Schoolhouse Smith.